Namaskar, welcome to Consumer Times. Tired of waiting years for justice? Discover India's revolutionary Lok Adalat system that's solving disputes in hours, not years. In this eye-opening Consumer Times episode, we break down how this People's Court has already resolved over 8.25 crore cases since inception, whether it's insurance claims, bank disputes, property issues, or consumer complaints. Lok Adalats are changing the game for ordinary citizens. Best part? It's completely free and legally binding. Namaskar and welcome to Consumer Times, your trusted source for awareness. Today we will discuss Lok Adalat, India's revolutionary answer to justice delays. You have a legitimate grievance, maybe an insurance claim denial, a banking dispute, or a consumer complaint. In the traditional court system, you might wait 5 to 10 years for resolution, spending thousands on legal fees. But what if there was a system that could resolve your case in a single day, completely free of cost, with legally binding results? Welcome to Lok Adalat, India's most innovative judicial mechanism. Before we explore what exactly is Lok Adalat, please give your valuable comments, like, share, and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Consumer Times to motivate us. The term Lok Adalat literally means People's Court in Hindi, and it perfectly captures the essence of this system. Established under the Legal Services Authorities Act of 1987, Lok Adalats are alternative dispute resolution forums that focus on amicable settlement of disputes through conciliation and compromise. Unlike traditional courts where judges deliver verdicts, Lok Adalats facilitate agreements between parties. The process is informal, non-adversarial, and designed to find mutually acceptable solutions rather than determining winners and losers. The numbers that tell an incredible story. The impact of Lok Adalats is nothing short of revolutionary. Since inception, more than 15.14 lakh Lok Adalats have been organized across the country, settling over 8.25 crore cases. To put this in perspective, if these cases had gone through regular courts, our judicial system would have collapsed under the sheer volume. Even more impressive, in the third National Lok Adalat of 2024 alone, over 1.14 crore cases were resolved, demonstrating the system's growing efficiency and acceptance. Now, how Lok Adalats actually work? The beauty of Lok Adalats lies in their simplicity and accessibility. Here's how the process unfolds. Composition. Each Lok Adalat is presided over by a retired judge, along with a lawyer and a social worker. This diverse panel ensures both legal expertise and community understanding. No court fees. Unlike regular courts where filing fees, lawyer fees, and other costs can be prohibitive, Lok Adalats are completely free. There are no court fees, and parties don't need expensive legal representation. Flexible timing. Lok Adalats function as an effective alternative dispute resolution method for ensuring quick and final consensual disposal of cases, often completing proceedings in a single day. Voluntary participation. Parties cannot be forced to accept a settlement. If they're not satisfied with the proposed solution, they're free to pursue regular court proceedings. Two types serving different needs. Regular Lok Adalats. These are periodic sessions organized by district legal services authorities, handling a wide range of civil and compoundable criminal matters. Permanent Lok Adalats, established under Section 22B of the Legal Services Authorities Act, 1987, these permanent bodies handle cases relating to public utility services like transport, postal, telegraph services, and can even decide disputes if parties fail to reach settlements. What cases can Lok Adalats handle? The jurisdiction is surprisingly broad. Consumer disputes, product defects, service failures, overcharging, insurance claims, motor insurance, health insurance, life insurance, banking matters, loan disputes, credit card issues, recovery cases, motor accident claims, compensation for accident victims. property disputes, boundary disputes, rent matters, utility disputes, electricity bills, water connections, telephone issues, compoundable criminal cases, minor offenses that can be settled. However, they cannot handle divorce matters or non-compoundable criminal offenses, the life-changing benefits for common citizens, speed. What takes years in regular courts gets resolved in hours or days. The informal atmosphere encourages quick decision-making and immediate implementation. Cost-effective, zero filing fees, no mandatory lawyer requirement, and no hidden costs make justice accessible to the poorest citizens. Stress-free environment. The non-adversarial approach reduces the emotional trauma often associated with lengthy court battles. Legally binding. Settlements reached in Lok Adalats have the same legal status as court decrees, ensuring enforceability, relationship preservation. Since the focus is on compromise rather than combat, parties often maintain better relationships post-settlement. Reducing the court burden. Lok Adalats serve as crucial pressure valves for India's overburdened judiciary. By diverting suitable cases away from regular courts, they help reduce the massive pendency that plagues our judicial system. Each case settled in a Lok Adalat is one less case clogging the traditional court system. How you can access this system? Accessing Lok Adalats is remarkably simple. Contact your District Legal Services Authority, DLSA. Check NALSA's website for upcoming National Lok Adalat dates. Approach during regular Lok Adalat sessions. For utility disputes, approach permanent Lok Adalats. The entire process is designed to be citizen-friendly, with minimal paperwork and maximum accessibility. The future of people's justice. Lok Adalats represent more than just an alternative dispute resolution mechanism. They embody the constitutional promise of equal justice for all. By making justice accessible, affordable, and swift, they're democratizing legal remedies in ways traditional courts struggle to achieve. For millions of Indians, Lok Adalats aren't just courts. They're hope incarnate, proving that justice delayed need not always be justice denied. Subscribe to Consumer Times for more insights on accessing justice and protecting your rights.